All right, how many times have you snaked a line up into an attic only to get into the attic from an access point that's clear on the other side of the house, and now you're trying to navigate your way to a quarter-inch hole in the floor, often that's covered up in insulation or floorboards or holiday decorations, right? Well, the lighted bullnose tip from Eagle Tool US may be one of the most innovative accessories for a wire or cable rod that I've ever seen, and it completely eliminates this problem. Outside of it being a tiny but powerful LED light that can fit through holes as small as 3/8 of an inch, its unique design ensures that it doesn't accidentally turn off when you're jamming it through the floor or the walls, because we all know how gentle contractors are, right? They fit directly onto the fiberglass fish rods that make it so much easier to snake right back through your walls. So while you can attach a line to your cable bit and send it right back up into your attic, you can also use the fish sticks or the fish rods that make it so much easier to get it back up in there. This lighted bullnose tip will fit directly on that rod, making it so much easier. It also fits Greenlee and Klein Tools quarter-inch fiberglass fish rods as well. So if you're in the market to make your life easier as an installer, check out this lighted tip and some of the other items from Eagle Tool US, made right here in America, and I promise you will not be disappointed. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and have a great day.